Most individuals have excuses of why they are not making money online. In today's video, I'm bringing for you a solution to your excuses. Which excuse do you have? You have an excuse like, I don't have a nice, cozy place. I don't have where to make my videos from. I'm staying in the bed space. Our house is muddy. All those excuses. You guys, you always have them. But hold on. Do you know you can make a video from wherever you are, provided you are focused and you want to make money, then you cover up your background. This one is my real background, but I'll be bringing for you how you can cover your background. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine on should I call it on your screen? Yes, I'm on your screen. Right now, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make money irrespective of where you are. Is it a bad area? Is it a bad place? We have you covered. Before I dive into this video is going to be very short. This is a disclaimer. I'm doing these videos for educational purposes or entertainment. I'm bringing for you the things that have worked for me. They can work for you. The only thing I do, and I really tell you, I'm giving you 10% out of 100%. So go ahead, do research, deep down, understand what you want to do. If you feel they can work for you, please dive in and do for me. But have you reached here without even liking or sharing this video? Please first subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if really this channel is doing something for you. Now, this channel, you see, is being really showered, is being loved by people who are commenting, people who are sharing our videos, people who are engaging. I love you so much, you guys. You are special to our heart. And for Immaculate Show team, you're wonderful. I love you. YouTube, this YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok has been a darling. We earn from our content. Without even wasting your time, let me show you. But before I show you how really you can make your videos from maybe from a tattered place, from even on the way, even in the bush, but you don't want that the background to be seen. You don't want those people in your background. You don't want those bad things in your background. This is what you'll do. Remember, this video is going to be very short. Yes. So what you need to do, I want you to get your video, your camera, take a video like the way I'm taking the video. We are going to change the background. If you want to change to have a good background, after making your video from wherever you are doing, I want you to do this. You can go to any Chrome, any website. Okay, let's go to Chrome. Type there video backgrounds, and you can put YouTube backgrounds, because you need it in aspect ratio of a video. Like me now, I'm going to put this living room. You can see it. This living room, I got it from Chrome, and I am always using it. If you want, you can look for the plain ones. Plain, like the background should be plain depending on what you want to. But I love style, so that's why I'm looking for a nice. I got tired of my living room, so that's why I'm bringing for you this. So immediately go to it. How do you get it? You can type and say backgrounds, plain backgrounds, living backgrounds, or studio backgrounds, whichever you want. It will bring. The moment it brings, you can download or screenshot. I advise you for easy things. I want easy things. Just screenshot and make sure you crop it very well to the extent that the sides don't see. And I pray that it shouldn't be having any copyrights. So the moment you screenshot and leave it in your gallery, like the way we are going to see. So from here, we are going to see what we are going to do. Go to CapCut. Which editing app are you using? Mobile editing app. I use CapCut. I use Snapseed. I use Canva, and I use also InShot. But in these videos for YouTube, mostly I use CapCut. So go open your CapCut. CapCut, you can use the free one or the premium one. Me, I use premium. So when you go to CapCut, add your video like the way you have seen the video. The moment you add your video, you start editing it. If you want, you can. Now what we are focusing on now, it is our background. Go scroll down. Like now I'm going to cut this half from here, it is going to be okay. Then after here, it is going to be a different background. Scroll, go to remove the background in those aspects of CapCut down. When you remove the background, it will turn like this. Then again, go to background. When you go to background, it will bring for you, like, should I show you? Let me be showing it. When you go to background, it brings for you different aspects. What are these different aspects? Where are you, CapCut? Let me show you, but it is going to be on the screen. I think I don't have CapCut on this phone. So what you do, you go to CapCut, you click. If you want to put plain colors, you can click there. But now we want to put the background that we want, the one we downloaded. What you do, you click on the image or photo. That image, it is going to take you to your gallery, your photos, the one you saved. So you go and bring the photo you love, the one you had put, the background you had planned that I'll be using this background. Click on it. When you click on it, that's okay. Does it sound nice? Does it look nice? Yes. You start resizing. Resize your video. If you want it to fit, it is up to you now. Pray around it. Now start editing normally. Remember, this video is focused on how to remove the background. So this background, do you see it? How does it look like? The background looks cool, looks calm, looks good. You will not even see this chair. Okay, you can see the chair, but you will not see this what was there before. I think you've seen what was there. There was a photo frame, a wall frame, then there was our logo here for Immaculate Shop. It is not there, and other things. The only thing I'm showing you now is what I want you to see, because I want a new background. And this is how easy it is. There is no saying, you know, I cannot make video because I'm not in a good environment. No, there is no excuse for you not to make money, not to make videos. No, the excuse can be there if you know you have no smartphone. But if you have a smartphone, anything is possible at any given time, in any place. So guys, as we have reached there, have you learned something? If you've learned something, please write it in the comment section. And if you really love this video, share it to your friends. Lastly, if you share this to your friends, like 20 friends, I want you to come to this video. Right there, we'll get your number and you'll win a prize. Thank you very much. Let's go and make money. Bye-bye.